my dear friends, today I am starting my first video in this English. I will help you to learn English in an easier way. Without beating around the bush, let's start with the first grammar topic, the sentence. So, what is a sentence? In order to express our thoughts, we use a group of words. Definition of sentence: a group of words that makes a complete sense. So, what is sense? It means meaning. A sentence has a complete meaning. There are four main types of sentences. First one, declarative or assertive sentences. Second one, interrogative sentences. Third one, imperative sentences. Fourth one, exclamatory sentences. So, what is a declarative or assertive sentences? As the name indicates, declarative, it means it declares something or it gives a statement. A declarative or assertive sentences always ends up with a full stop. Examples of declarative sentences are: my grandmother wore a big turban and loose fitting clothes. Another example: my grandmother's face has crisscross of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. And then the second one, interrogative sentences. So, what is an interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentences means asking questions. It always ends up with a question mark. Examples for interrogative questions are: who is hosting the tea party? When did this happen? What is your favorite video? Anything like that. Asking questions to someone. Then the imperative sentences. It means giving command, requests and suggestions. So, examples of command: leave my cousins alone. Request: could you please leave my cousins alone? Then suggestion: let us learn English instead. Then exclamatory sentences. So what's exclamatory sentences? It expresses some strong or sudden feeling or emotions. It always ends up with an exclamation mark. Examples of exclamatory sentences are: it was such an amazing video. What a lovely house it is. So that's all about sentences. Hope you all understood. Please frame your own sentences and please do comment it in the comment box. I have given few question and answers for practice in the description box. Try them. So see you in the next video.